Welcome to Frog Furnishings and assembly guidance for our Weston 6-foot bench. Be sure to install your bench on a flat and level surface. Unpack the contents of your container box and ensure all parts are included. Please read the assembly instructions fully and follow all directions. This bench includes 2 Weston bench legs, 1 Weston bench middle leg, 1 66-inch Weston slim horizontal brace, 1 6-foot Weston bench seat, and 18 number 8 2.5-inch wood screws. The Weston bench also comes in a 4-foot model. Recommended tools for assembly include a drill with a Phillips bit, a tape measure, and a level. 2 people are recommended for assembly. Begin by placing the bench seat upside down on a flat surface. Position the 2 outer legs and the middle leg along the underside of the seat, ensuring equal spacing and proper alignment. Attach each leg to the seat using 4 number 8 2.5-inch screws through the pre-drilled pilot holes. Do not over-tighten. Next, install the horizontal brace. Align the brace with the bottom of the middle leg and the inner faces of the 2 outer legs. Secure using 6 number 8 2.5-inch screws, 2 through each of the legs. Do not over-tighten. Finally, take the same number 8 2.5-inch screw and drill it into the single pre-drilled hole in the center of the horizontal brace. Once all components are secured, carefully flip the bench upright onto its legs and ensure it sits level and stable. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings Weston bench.